The journey begins with fresh poultry arriving at a modern processing facility, where quality and hygiene are carefully checked.
Before processing begins, every batch is carefully inspected to ensure it meets food safety and quality standards.
The selected chicken meat is then prepared, with unwanted parts removed, before it enters the grinding process. The meat is kept properly chilled to maintain freshness and help control bacterial growth throughout processing. Next, the chilled chicken pieces are carefully loaded into a powerful industrial grinder. Inside the machine, rotating blades cut the meat into smaller pieces before forcing it through a precision grinding plate. The result is finely ground chicken with a consistent texture, ready for the next stage of production.
Quality control checks the texture, appearance, temperature, and overall condition of the ground meat.
Once approved, the ground chicken is portioned and sealed in hygienic food-grade packaging.
Finally, the packaged chicken is kept refrigerated and prepared for distribution, completing its journey from fresh poultry to ground chicken.